Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al, and welcome to day 11 of my 13 days of Craft-O-Ween series. Spellbinders generously sent me one of their 2025 Halloween Advent Calendars to open and share with you here on my channel. So each day, from August 19th through the 31st, I'm going to have a quick video to open each day's envelope and put the new die set together. For day 11, I used some cardstock scraps to cut out each of the dies, and then I started assembling. This set puts together a spooky little haunted house with a bat accessory, and although I have been keeping the card off to the left for this series to help assemble, this one was super easy to put together. Inside the 2025 Craft-O-Ween box from Spellbinders is an orange and purple sequin mix, a stamp set with lots of great Halloween themed sentiments, and 13 envelopes. Inside each of those is a Halloween themed die set, and in this pre-recorded daily series you are going to see how to assemble each one. If you would like even more inspiration using these die sets, make sure to subscribe if you're not already, and then join me at the end of October for my daily live stream series. Not only will I be reopening each of the daily envelopes and getting crafty with them, but I will be giving out secret words, so if you don't already have a Craft-O-Ween box of your own, you can win one of 3 I'm giving away. I think this would look cute with maybe some yellow glittery cardstock on the inside or some pear blossom press lights. To display or kind of showcase all of the die sets that I'm putting together for this series, I made myself a set of 13 rounded tags. To do this, I use a spiderweb backgrounds press plate with some light gray ink, and then once I had all of those, I cut them in half for the final cards. That means the finished size of these is 2 3/4 wide by 4 1/4 inches tall. When those were all cut down, I used a corner rounder on each of the edges, and then I punched a hole, and these will all be hanging on a book ring. To easily tell which day each of the sets was from, I also made myself some number circles using the Pip and Rank die set from Spellbinders. Once the die set and the daily number were all put together, I placed them onto the background. Now, some of the dies do hang over the edge, but I think that looks kind of fun when they're all stacked together. Here's a look at today's finished tag, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow to find out what day 12 has in store. Until then, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.